Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Here's Naomi from China. Today I would like to share something about crystals. I'd like to know what people love crystals so much and what kind of energy that crystals can give to our health or just mind. So that's why I do this video, and I like to know why those ones are the 10 popular crystals for people. So I just share from my own experience and search some information online. So just forgive me for the wrong mistakes, or today I just want to share those things with you. Okay, welcome to correct me. Okay, correct me. Okay, now first, and I just pick 10 of the kinds for the crystals in here. The first one is clear quartz. About clear quartz, I know that the choice of them is very clarity. You see that, and they are called the king of the crystal, because not only because of their clarity, but also for the common that anywhere you can find them. And function about them is just can apply energy. So just imagine, guys, when you are in work, you just feel a bit dizzy, and you see those clear quartz. They will just help you to keep a clear mind, which will improve your work efficiency. And in another situation, when you do medicine with clear quartz, it will just give you inspiration to your work, or just share ideas with your colleagues. Okay, so now and for those things, got so many different things. This one called worry stone. Actually, it called worry stone, but actually it's make you forget the worries. Okay, and for the cracks of the nature, each one, because they from nature, each one got some cracks inside, which make them can reflect rainbows inside. Really nice. And those scales of about from the procedure will do some hexagon. Okay, that thing's what I get. Again, just from the Chinese perspective, that so since will give very how to say powerful energy to our body. Okay, and next one is pink quartz. So just as a girl, I love pink, so that's my color. So what pink hints for the crystal in a crystal field? That means love and compassion. About love, no matter what relationship you have, family, or between friends, or just personal love, it will just to be a tool to help you to open yourself. Just have to not only face to face communication, but also heart to heart. So that's one, I love them. And I just find something. You see here, this one, a material of the pink quartz to do a pendulum. And also here got some face rollers, really nice. Sorry for my poor finger. Okay, and it can when it touch my skin, it will be very cool, have a cool touch feeling, just feeling love. Okay, those hearts, I love it. Those hearts, when you see that, you will see the love, right? And it's nears to the color of the hearts. Okay, pink quartz is the second one. The third one is those labs. About those labs, what makes them precious or unique is that the stunning. You see that blue flush on the surface. And actually, for those very precious, they got some purple flush on that actually. But those one I picked out got no, and people always think lab will cure them, just cure their sadness or grief, because actually regarded as a transformation and perseverance about some wishes. And when you see them just relax, right, give you the power and energy to remove those unhappiness, right? And those labs, I think Also a nice looking. You see, just for this bow, when you change it angle, you can tell your friends that, oh, this one really nice for the standing on that one. You see a bit purple on this one. Yeah, not only for their function but also for their nice looking. Okay. Next one I want to introduce you guys here. It's fluorite. I checked so many videos about the crystals, but actually, less people introduce those crystals about the fluorite. Because I find some traits about the fluorite. First, they've must got some rainbows. Actually, I say that the crust from nature make them can reflect the rainbow inside, but actually this one's not obvious. But because from nature, just like this rose stone, they just grow up in these ways. But people will polish them or to do make smooth surface for them. And those pressures are made by purple with green stripe. You see here, and it will be a nice look throughout the light. Also, I got a coven here. This one, yellow fluorite. Yellow fluorite is not so common, but this coven beer is really nice. And about this hexagon, you see here, I say that the purple and green stripe with irregular is very precious. Okay, and what will this fluorite do for good man's thinking? As just help you to do nice decision and for thinking and studying. Okay, and the other one I want to show you is this one, the elephant, and behind it is swans. Okay, nice ones. You see, I can show you more about those. Here, the two spheres. The two spheres, I think they got some magic for them. Okay, some magic for the fluorite. Okay, this is the fourth one I want to show you, and you see on its left the lab stunning, really shiny on it. Okay, next one. The fifth one, number 5. Those are amethyst. They got really multiple meanings for their keyword or functions. Amethyst actually, I find some people think that the deep purple and from the nature geode that make them, because purple means royalty, that which contributes to the power and energy to those amethyst. And amethyst is a common material that will be easily found throughout the world, and its function really so much. First one, just to bless or wishes to make you spiritual and be productive. And next, second one, really important, is that help you with the anxiety. For the in modern society, you have to be anxious because the stress of study, work, or family that you just earnings. So amethyst are those ones just to keep you calm down and do works that you can afford, right? And raise your physics senses and vibrations, help to break addictions and bad habits. Because once you calm down, you will got a calm mind, right? So just help to break addictions. And I think this color, so just turn back to its very superficial some sense. This color is very gorgeous and elegant, not for some light. You see, just this bottle, have a look here, right? Because the crystal from nature, it will be nice, gorgeous, and not different from this bottle. Yeah, so guys, the first 5 is for those ones. And if you do wanna share some information about crystals with me, you can just comment. And if you can add more functions or traits for these crystals, you can also write down or comment. And all of you, welcome, and that's all for today. Okay, thank you. So guys, I just pick another 5 materials of crystal here, and I would like to go on for our introduction or share our experience for these crystals. The 6th is tiger eye. So you can just, I will pick this one, mini one for the reference. You see the yellow flash that reflects on the surface, and from this side it will be more eyes like tigers, right? And so from its name you can just have the meaning they got: versatile, strong power, and protective. Yeah, just from their name. And another meaning they got is just abundance given. Just want to give you more, give you energy. You can just also understand that abundance with price, future, or just energy for givens, right? Okay, and I think people just think tiger eye, this material can protect them for health or future. That's right. Next one, the 7th one is calcite. I just picked 3 kind of calcite here. Blue calcite, orange calcite, also called ice flash for this one, and this one is yellow calcite or honey calcite. What makes them unique is that the color. You see this blue, compared with that labs, they're more light color. And this blue calcite got a light skin, so just mean it keep you peaceful and calm. Also, you can understand that in gentle way, and it has a function of that balancing your energy. And it also means just symbols a big change in your life when you just want to start or turn over a new leaf in your life. Maybe that calcite is a nice way to choose. Okay, finish for those blue calcite. And next one is black tourmaline. So guys, some of my friends always ask me that, what about those tourmalines? I just pick one of the tourmaline pendants to show here. To see it more clear about this big piece, I want to show you that this piece, what's on that, just for those tiny stripe. You see those tiny stripe and some crack from nature, that will transmute to negative energy. Transmit you negative energy, and also give you protection about not only for mental but also for physical. So, and you see those small point. I regard them just as blue ink inside. So maybe that's just negative energy removed from it, because just like our bodies, maybe sometimes got some unclear or anything you don't want. It just help you to remove those things. Okay, the 4th, it is smoky. So smoky, you see, I pick some tumbles. Okay, more clear. I pick some tumbles, and here the small sphere, also the small sphere. Also because of the crack, it will got a bit reflection of rainbows. Here, and a sense of dim. Okay, one more time. And a sense of dim make them more maybe ambiguity, and with a comparison with those clear calls. And what's that do this detoxing? Just to help you to detoxing that. Yeah, anything, maybe black tourmaline pay more attention to your mental, and detoxing, that means that what physic. Yeah, that's reasonable. Okay, on the 10 top popular, this one is the last one. I just picked some which can represent Chinese character. That we called it yin yang jade, just with pot black and white for those things. Here comes to the ashtray and point and the sphere. You can give so many understanding for that yin yang jade, but from my understanding, white you see, white and black is totally different color. They can't be mixed because one will be disappeared, right? But they just look like any one of them. Everyone got his personality and character, and they will got their own life, own future, but they united in one family, just like this one in one stuff. And maybe when they grow up, they will just strive for their own future and own destiny. But on decades to decades, but for example in China, they were reunited again. So just live and unite, relieve and reunited, just like those scenes in on one stuff. That mean also you can just for others understandings here on white symbols day and black symbols dark. It's also okay. So um that's the understanding of that two colors. That so this one for my part is people love for that Chinese character, very classic. So all of those 10 popular crystals is finished. And guys, if you love our video, you can just comment or say something about those crystals. And next time, next video will maybe about the spheres. Okay, and see you. Bye, guys.